Hurry up.
No, Stephanie's gonna do it.
Good. Now, what did you break with your baseball? Did you kill that black
Ready?
bitch?
It's your turn. Right? Cricket.
I think he wanted to
Send
die.
it out
There's
practice.
hopes and dreams.
Go.
Don't record it.
I'm trying to take a picture.
No, you're gonna record it.
I made reservations at the Cheesecake Warehouse for tonight at 7. Unless you decide you don't want to go.
Of course I want to go. We're going to have a great time.
Go.
You and me.
I messed
Alone
up.
at a table. For 3 hours. Hey, how about a pop for the boomerang?
He wants to know if you want to double
Just
date.
'cause
You, me, him, and Sam.
Yes, Sam will love that. It's a date, a double date. Yay, Sam will be so happy.
Okay, well, see you then.
Tell Sam.
Go.
my dick. Let me see. Let me see.
Wait.
Taking a test while she's staring at you like this.
You're still taking it?
Stephanie! Hurry up, I'm recording it for Stephanie. Stephanie! Hurry up, it's your turn, it's recording already.
Maybe you should go out with Shannon.
Why?
Oh,
Hey,
well,
what?
stop it.